prisoners, we're back with Luna. So same thing, I am using the chicken for treats. We got a little crazy dog on the way out here, so I'm going to be ready if she does start to go after this dog. I am not going to try to Luna! Good, 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 good. I'm not tightening my leash. Heel. Good. 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 You know, in my attitude, heel, and you really shouldn't turn away like that. I'm just doing that right now. Heel is, I perfectly see the dog. I'm not having any reaction to it. I don't know why I keep going on that side. Luna! Good. Good. You know, and at this stage, there's no correction. If she did go on the other side, I'm just orchestrating it so that she ends up back on this side. Good. Good. More important than anything, I'm installing that turn. I've already installed it, but I'm installing it in this context. Heel. Good. Good girl. I'm not tightening my leash. Good. 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 All right, guys, we're working on it. More updates soon.